Anthropic just dropped an announcement today that's going to confuse a lot of people, including probably some of you. Because when you hear Claude Managed Agents, your first instinct might be, wait, isn't that just what Claude Cowork does? The answer is no, and understanding the difference is actually important, not just as a trivia fact, but because it'll help you know where to focus your time and your attention. So let's clear things up right now. Here's what happened. April 8th, 2026, Anthropic opened a public beta access to something called Claude Managed Agents. This is a developer platform, a back-end API, and it's made a lot of headlines. Meanwhile, Claude Cowork, the tool that many of you have been using and learning about, is still the same tool it was yesterday. These two things are not the same. They don't do the same job and they don't serve the same person. And if you mix them up, you'll either chase something you don't need or possibly miss something that actually matters to your business. So here's the cleanest way I can explain it. Claude Cowork is the car that you drive. You install the Claude desktop app, you designate a folder on your machine, you give Claude a task like research this topic and build me a report, or take these client notes and turn them into a proposal, and Claude goes and does it autonomously while you work on other things. You're in the driver's seat the entire time. The work happens on your computer, inside your folder, under your control. You don't need to write code. You don't need to be technical. You just install an app, point it at a folder, and start delegating. That is Cowork, a desktop tool designed for knowledge workers and entrepreneurs, for people like most of you watching this video right now, just like I am. There are real limitations to know of, though. The desktop app has to stay open while it works. It consumes way more of your usage credits than a normal chat session does, and it runs on your machine, not in the cloud. But for most of what we do as business owners, those limitations are, believe it or not, very manageable. Now, let's talk about Claude Managed Agents. This is not a product you download. You will not see a Managed Agents button inside your Claude account. Think of it this way. Managed Agents is the engine block the car manufacturers buy to build their own cars. Software companies, platforms, development teams, they can now integrate Anthropic's AI agent infrastructure directly into their own products. They define what the agent does. Anthropic manages all the behind-the-scenes plumbing, the computing, the memory, the execution environment. And the end user, what might be you, for example, interacts with it inside of whatever app or platform you're using. You won't see Anthropic anywhere. You'll just see a smarter product. So where are you actually going to encounter this? The best live example right now is Notion. They've already built something called Notion Custom Agents on top of this same infrastructure. Those agents can run 24/7 in the cloud. They're triggered by events or schedules, and they work even when your laptop is closed. And Notion users have already built over 21,000 of these agent configurations. That's Claude Managed Agents under the hood. Notion just built the car. Going forward, you're going to see this show up inside tools like Go High Level, inside project management tools, inside CRMs, inside platforms you already pay for. When those platforms start offering AI agent features, there's a very good chance they're running on this infrastructure. You won't need to do anything different, though. You just notice that the tools you already use are getting a lot smarter. Here's the bottom line. If you're an entrepreneur, a coach, a consultant, a service provider, your focus right now should be on Claude Cowork. That is your tool. That's my tool. That is what will save you hours this week. That is where you'll practice the skill of delegating to AI, of building workflows, of thinking like someone who has an AI teammate instead of just an AI chatbot. Managed Agents is exciting. It's significant for the industry, but it's a tool for developers building software products, not for those of us building client businesses. So don't get distracted by the announcement. Stay focused on what's actually in your hands right now. And that's Claude Cowork. If you want to start getting results with Claude Cowork and you're not sure where to begin, comment the word Cowork below, and I'll send you a quick start guide I use to walk new users through their first real task. And if you found this helpful, please hit subscribe. I break down AI news on a regular basis, and I filter it specifically for entrepreneurs so you don't have to read the tech blogs. I'll see you on the next one.